Hello everyone, how are you? This is Alamin. Today I would like to talk about myself. So let's start. My name is Alamin. I am from Bangladesh and I am a cheerful and curious person who loves learning new things every day. I enjoy studying English because it's helped me express myself better and understands people from different country. I try to read, listen, and practicing a little bit every day so I can improve step by step. I also love spending time with my family who always support me in everything I do. My dream is to growing into confident and education's person who can traveling the world one day. I believe hard work and patience will help me reset in my goal. I am proud of who I am and excited for what the future holds. Thank you for listening.